Hello everyone. Actually today I'm going to share short triangle strategy in English. I have already shared this strategy in Hindi language. If you want to want to watch this video in Hindi, I have already shared on my channel. But today lots of people are asking to share this strategy in English language as well. So I decided to share only strategies video in English as well. So today I'm going to discuss about short triangle strategy, and I'm also going to share how to adjust the short triangle trade if it's going against us. Suppose if market is our break even point is to the upside, or market has reached to the break even point, how to adjust the trade. So guys, if you are watching our channel first time, make sure you subscribe our channel, and if you like our content and video, make sure you like our video as well. So guys, let's go to the website where we will discuss this strategy. So guys, this is the opsta.definance.com website. We will discuss our strategy. We need to go in the option, and here we need to select strategy builder, and here Nifty is already selected. Spot price you can see is 10,900. We will consider this as 10,900, and suppose, and here we need to select the expiry 6 August. And so guys, for short strategy, what we will do, we need to sell, call and put out of the money, call, and out of the money put, we need to sell. Suppose market Nifty is running at 10,900, so we will sell Nifty 500 far from the current strike price. Suppose now 10,900, so 500 far from 10,900 is 11,400, and to the downside is 10,400. Up to the upside is 11,400, and to the downside is 10,400. So guys, let's discuss this strategy in practical mode, and I will show you. First of all, suppose Nifty is running at 10,900. This is this current spot price, and we'll take the 500 point difference. So 500 point difference will be 11,400 to the call, and we need to sell this. For short triangle, we need to sell this. We have sell, call and put, and yeah, call we have said, sell already. So now we need to sell put. To sell put. Yeah, so guys, you can see here we have taken the 500 point difference to the upside and to the downside, and 500 point from the current strike price, 500. So this is the short triangle strategy. Here you can see this is the green area where we will make money, and here you can see our maximum profit is 6,552 for one lot, and break even point is to the downside is 10,400, and for the upside is 11,400. Guys, you have seen lots of people are sharing strategies on YouTube, but they are not showing the adjustment trades because this is only half knowledge. So in this video I will share the full knowledge. I will share you how to do adjustment as well. And guys, you have seen lots of people are sharing strategies where they will show like risk reward is 1:5, 1:7, loss is 1,000, but you will make 8,000 maximum. Because though guys, in that strategies your probability of winning will be very less. That will be around 20%, 30% max. But here look at the probability, 95%. Definitely you will make this money. Even I am using this strategies for weekly trades. Always this will make money. Sometimes you have to adjust your trade as well, but maximum time you will make money. This is the probability. You can check 95% probability of winning. Those strategies are all good as well, but their maximum time you will lose. So guys, this is one of the highest. You can say this is most people use this strategy to make safe income from the market, from the option selling. So guys, now this is the short triangle strategy. You can see the maximum profit is 652, maximum loss is undefined, and break even you can see to the upside is 11,400, to the downside is 10,400 as well. So guys, suppose now market has reached 11,000, market has shoot up to the 11,400. Now we need to adjust our trade. how we will adjust our trade? We need to add 500 more in 11,400 because we have taken the 500 point difference. So now we need to add 500 more points in 11,400. That will make 11,900. So guys, now we need to sell 11,900 put. It means 11,900 put. That will be deep in the money put. So let's add it. So guys, now you can see the break even to the upside. It has increased up to the 12,300 because now premium is too high and our market is running at 10,900. But when market will reach 11,400, premium will be decreased and your payoff diagram will be look good, not like this. But make sure, I will make sure that your break even to the upside will be increased too much that enough will be increased. This is for the upside break, the adjustment. If market is going up, you need to sell in the money put. Okay, so this is for the upside, and for the downside, let me delete this one first. This is the original strategy. So if suppose market is going down, 10,400 market has reached. So what we need to do? We need to deduct 500 points from the 10,400. That will make around 9,900. So now 9,900 call we need to sell. We need to sell deep in the money call. Let me select call. So guys, there is one error. This selected option price is not liquid. So we will select for 910,000. Yeah. So now we need to sell deep in the money call for the downside adjustment. So here you can see our break even to the downside has decreased up to 9,500. So guys, you can see how we can adjust our trade if it is loss making. If market is going down, how we will need to adjust our trade. If market is going up, how we need to adjust our trade. So here you can see maximum profit has increased to 38,000, but it will not increase this much because the market is running at 10,900 as of now. If market reach up to the 10,400, then premium will be decreased somewhere around 400 500, but your break even to be decreased enough so that you can make enough good money, safe money. So guys, this is one of the safest strategy I think to use in market. For this is for safely income, like you want 1% per week, you can easily make money from this strategy, I think so. Lots of big players are using this kind of strategies. This safe strategy, one of the safest strategy. Guys, I already told you, like you can see here the probability of winning. You can see that's 95%. There are lots of strategy like call butterfly, put butterfly. I'm also going to share how to do adjustment trade in call butterfly, put butterfly, in RN fly as well. But this is one of the high probability strategy. There maximum of the time you will make money, and I also teach you how to do adjustment to the upside and to the downside. So guys, I hope you guys everything is clear for this this strategy. If you still have few doubts, questions, let me know in the comment box. I will be happy to answer. And guys, if you like our video, make sure you you subscribe our channel and like the video as well. So guys, that's it for today. Thank you. Enjoy your day. Bye.